Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make yourself more durable. To begin, focus on foundational habits. Getting enough quality sleep is crucial for your body's repair processes and overall resilience. Fueling your body with a balanced diet, full of nutrient-dense foods, provides the energy and building blocks you need. And consistent physical activity strengthens your entire system, preparing you for daily challenges. Building physical resilience involves specific actions. Strength training, performed 2 to 3 times weekly, builds robust muscles and bones, making you more resistant to impact. Don't forget flexibility and mobility work. These are key to preventing injuries and maintaining a full range of motion. Also, proper hydration, aiming for at least 8 glasses of water daily, supports every bodily function, from joint lubrication to nutrient transport. Mental durability is just as vital as physical. Learning effective stress management techniques, such as mindfulness or deep breathing, helps you navigate difficult situations calmly. Cultivating a growth mindset allows you to see obstacles as chances to learn and adapt, rather than insurmountable problems. Furthermore, a strong support network provides emotional resilience, offering comfort and perspective when you need it most. Sustaining durability is an ongoing journey. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your habits ensures you're always optimizing for better health and resilience. Don't hesitate to seek professional guidance from doctors or trainers for personalized plans tailored to your unique needs. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. By consistently applying these principles, you'll build a more durable and resilient self for years to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.